The first step to naming any organic compound is to identify the longest carbon chain. So let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 appears to be the longest, but let's double check here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So they were trying to trick us here. This is a common mistake as this appears to be the longest carbon chain, so you always have to double check. Otherwise, the entire problem is wrong. So now that we know where our substituent is, it is methyl. Now we need to find the location of the substituent. Now, when you're finding the location, you always want the carbon that the substituent branches out of to be the lowest number. So when I counted like this, it was carbon 5. But when you count the other direction, 1, 2, 3, it's only carbon 3. So that's the correct answer. So here is the final format. 3-methyl octane. Now, let's get rid of this. Let's try another example. So we always start the same way, by counting the longest carbon chain. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 9 is the longest carbon chain. Now, in this case, there is 2 substituents, methyl and propyl. When there are 2 substituents, you have to be careful that you list them in alphabetical order, and the numbers or the locations of the substituents have to go in ascending order from lowest to highest number. So next, let's find the location of the substituents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the correct substituents. It would be incorrect to go the opposite direction. So the final answer is 2-methyl 5-propyl-nonane. Let's get rid of this. This example is a bit different as it is cyclic, which means it's in a circle. So it's pretty easy to find the longest carbon chain as you just count the ones that form the circle. Substituents don't count. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which means the prefix is hex, and there are 2 substituents. So methyl and propyl. Now, we all know that whenever there's 2 substituents, you want to put them in alphabetical order. So I want to give methyl, because M comes before P, the lower carbon, the lowest possible, instead of propyl, because I want the numbers to go in ascending order from lowest to highest. So, the correct way to name this molecule is 1-methyl 3-propyl cyclohexane. It's important not to forget to include cyclo because otherwise people will assume that it's not in the circle format. The final molecule is also a cycloalkane, but since there's only 4 carbon chains in the circle, that means it looks a little different, more square-like. As you can see, there is only 1 substituent. Now, the rule is when there's only 1 substituent, you do not have to indicate the location of the substituent because any way you turn it or place it is the same. So the final answer is methyl cyclobutane. All done. I hope you enjoyed practicing with me. If you learned something new, please like and subscribe down below. Thanks for watching.